Here we go. Review.
Canada, United States, Mexico, Finland, Iceland.
Good job. Here we go. Let's go down here.
That one.
Okay.
Uruguay.
Ireland.
Ireland.
Okay, here we go. Let's do this one.
Norway.
Good.
Sweden.
Good.
Was that Sweden? Did you say
That's
that
Sweden, yeah.
was Finland.
Okay, down here.
Chile.
Good.
Argentina.
Good.
Brazil.
Very good.
Colombia.
Good.
Venezuela.
Very good.
Ecuador.
Very good.
I don't know.
Peru.
Peru.
Bolivia. Good. What's this one here? Look here. Allie.
I don't know.
Pear.
Paraguay.
Good. Come here. Allie. Come finish your review. South
Africa.
Good. What's this one?
I don't know.
Egypt. What's this one?
Ooh.
Hey, you're going to get dizzy and then you're going to fall down. Look, what's this one?
Whoa. Ooh. Indonesia. Papua New Guinea.
Good. What's this one?
Indonesia.
Very good. What's this one?
Australia.
Very good. What's this one? New
Zealand.
Very good. How about this one?
Antarctica.
Very good.
Algeria.
Good. How about this one? South
Africa.
Good. How about this one? Madagascar. Good job. How about this one?
China.
Good. How about this one?
Russia.
Very good. How about this one?
Mongolia.
Very good. How about this one?
Japan.
Very good. How about this one?
Indonesia.
No, not Indonesia.
India. Let's do Indonesia.
There you go. How about that?
Indonesia.
Very good. How about this one? Saudi
Arabia.
Very good. How about this one?
Let's do Egypt.
Okay.
Egypt.
Good. How about this one?
Congo.
Very good. How about this one?
Bolivia.
Libya. Very good. How about this one?
What's next? What's next to Libya?
Next to Libya, Egypt and Algeria.
What's
That's Tunisia.
Tunisia?
Tunisia.
Tunisia.